Hi everyone, I'd like to share another noteworthy yoga tip with you. If you want a real progress, then make yoga philosophy part of your everyday practice. Here's a quote from the Hatha Yoga Pradipika. The yogi who has perfected himself in the yamas will purify his nadis in 3 months. It's just one of the examples that shows that if you want to have result practicing asana and pranayama, you should also do the inner work. You should also cultivate principles that are explained in the beginning of the text. And then we're given all the practices. And New Age practitioners tend to overlook these principles, and that is why yoga's profound goals are usually not achieved. So it's like preparing the ground for sowing. And if you do the work, then the seed will grow. If not, then not. As simple as that. If you want to learn more and try my classes, then feel free to join 30-day trial at One Yoga Online Studio and check them out.